In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop shadow to text in Photoshop. A well-set shadow separates type from busy backgrounds, adds depth, and improves readability. We'll select your text layer, open the drop shadow controls, and fine-tune the key options so your result looks clean and intentional. First, click your text layer in the Layers panel. Look for the T icon to confirm you've got the right layer. If the panel isn't visible, open it from the Window menu. Make sure the layer isn't locked and avoid accidentally selecting a group or background. Clear layer names help you move faster. With the text layer active, go to the top menu, choose Layer, then Layer Style and select Drop Shadow. The Layer Style dialog opens and your document updates live as you adjust. Keep Preview on and zoom to a comfortable level so you can judge edges, softness, and contrast accurately. Start with Opacity, which controls how dark the shadow appears. Lower opacity creates a gentle lift that works well for clean interfaces, while higher opacity feels stronger and more dramatic. Use your background as a guide and aim for contrast that supports, not competes with, the text. Distance moves the shadow away from the letters. Small distances suggest contact with the surface. Larger distances add depth. Match distance and angle to the overall lighting in your layout so everything feels consistent. Spread expands the shadow's edges. It thickens the shape, turning a soft glow into a more solid silhouette. A little spread goes a long way. Modest values keep the result crisp without getting heavy. Size controls softness. A smaller size produces a sharp, defined edge. Increasing size blurs the shadow, spreading it outward for a more atmospheric feel. Adjust size and spread together to find a balance where the edge feels intentional rather than muddy. Angle sets the direction of the light source, which decides where the shadow lands. Align the angle with any existing highlights or shadows in your design. If you rely on a shared lighting setup across effects, maintain consistency so shadows don't conflict. As you refine these settings, check the text at 100% zoom and on both light and dark areas of the layout. Subtlety usually reads best, especially on smaller type. The effect is non-destructive.